Hello, viewer. Welcome back to our Heaven's Pure YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of nature's wonders, Himalayan pink salt. This beautiful pink salt has been gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. So, let's dive into the 20 incredible health benefits of Himalayan pink salt that you should know about. Rich in essential minerals, Himalayan pink salt is loaded with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron, which are vital for maintaining overall health. Balances electrolytes. The balanced mineral content in the salt helps regulate electrolyte levels in the body, promoting proper hydration and nerve function. Supports respiratory health. Inhaling Himalayan pink salt through salt therapy can help cleanse the respiratory system and alleviate respiratory issues. Improves digestion. This salt aids in better digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and promoting a healthy pH balance in the stomach. Promotes better sleep. Consuming a small amount of Himalayan pink salt before bedtime can improve sleep quality due to its relaxing effect on the nervous system. Detoxification. It assists in detoxifying the body by drawing out impurities and heavy metals through the skin during salt baths or scrubs. Regulates blood pressure. The balanced sodium to potassium ratio in this salt can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Enhances hydration. Adding a pinch of Himalayan pink salt to your water helps the body absorb and utilize water more efficiently. Alkalizes the body. It aids in balancing the body's pH levels, reducing acidity, and promoting an alkaline environment, which is beneficial for overall health. Boosts immunity. The rich mineral content supports the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Relieves muscle cramps. Himalayan pink salt's minerals help prevent muscle cramps and aid in muscle recovery after physical activity. Improves skin health. Using Himalayan pink salt in skincare routines can exfoliate dead skin cells, cleanse pores, and promote a healthy glow. Reduces stress and anxiety. The mineral-rich salt can have a calming effect on the body, reducing stress and anxiety levels. Supports thyroid function. Iodine, present in Himalayan pink salt, is essential for proper thyroid gland function and hormone production. Promotes blood sugar balance. This salt can help maintain stable blood sugar levels by supporting insulin sensitivity. Aids weight loss. By promoting hydration, digestion, and electrolyte balance, Himalayan pink salt can indirectly support weight loss efforts. Improves circulation. Consuming this salt may help enhance blood circulation, benefiting heart health and overall well-being. Dental health. Using Himalayan pink salt in mouthwash or gargling with salt water can promote oral health and combat bad breath. Supports bone health. The rich mineral profile of this salt is beneficial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Reduces water retention. Himalayan pink salt's balanced mineral content can help reduce water retention and bloating. Conclusion. Himalayan pink salt is truly a gift from nature, offering a plethora of health benefits that can enhance your well-being in various ways. Remember to use it in moderation and alongside a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. And, of course, subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Saves the nature and live in nature, Heaven Pure YouTube channel.